Salisbury met the needs of the industry with a complete line of protective equipment specifically designed for live line work. A product line that Salisbury has been improving and adding to ever since. The protective equipment used today is a direct descendant of those early designs. Equipment available today allows electrical workers to use modern safety techniques to work on energized lines and equipment at nominal voltages as high as 34.5 kV. Remember that all equipment used in this video is designed as a temporary cover-up of energized conductors and equipment. This equipment should be removed after the maintenance job is complete. Rubber insulating gloves and only rubber insulating gloves are designed for continuous and purposeful contact with energized conductors and equipment. Leather protectors should be worn over the rubber insulating gloves to provide mechanical protection against cuts, tears, and scratches. All other equipment you will see used in this video is designed for accidental and/or brush contact. Today's state-of-the-art safety equipment allows for the highest degree of protection when linemen follow recommended work procedures. The purpose of this video is to review or introduce generally accepted safe work methods using modern safety equipment. Remember, your work practices may vary. You must follow your company's safety rules. Always review your company's instructions for safe work procedures before starting the job. Established safety procedures of your company are developed to fit your system and are vital for you to follow. Be sure to use properly rated safety equipment for the electrical hazards you will be exposed to, and never hesitate to use extra cover-up. As we'll show later, proper inspection and maintenance of safety equipment is vital to make sure you're safe on the job. There are 3 basic requirements that must be followed when performing live line maintenance work. First of all, you must be isolated from the pole. In other words, be removed from a possible phase-to-ground contact. This can be achieved by several methods, including working from an insulated work platform, out of a bucket mounted on an insulated boom, and using appropriate pole guards. Minimize the danger of a phase-to-phase or phase-to-ground contact. Use insulating equipment with the proper voltage rating for the job. The workers must be given enough freedom and mobility so they can be placed in a position where they can work effectively with maximum safety and a minimum of physical exertion. In the demonstrations that follow, we will show typical principles of insulation and isolation as they apply to working on energized conductors and equipment. As always, it is important that you carefully plan your tasks to maximize safety. This crew made sure that they had enough of the proper protective equipment required for the job before they left the yard. The moment they arrive at the job site, preparations for a safe job continue. Safety cones are put in place. The workers set the outriggers. Some companies require that the truck be grounded and/or barricaded for safety. This practice protects the public and the ground personnel. During live line work, the truck should be considered energized. Only utility personnel that are following proper work procedures should be allowed on or around the truck. When working in an insulated aerial device, the only thing you're insulated from is the truck and only the truck. You are not insulated from a phase-to-ground contact through the pole or crossarm. You are only isolated from them. A tailboard meeting adds to worksite safety. During this meeting, the crew will discuss the task with their supervisor. Plans are made to control any unusual hazards. Each crew member's individual work assignment is also determined.